What if I told you that 75% of blindness can be avoided or prevented? Believe it or not, that's the surprising truth. In fact, with early detection and timely intervention, 3 out of 4 people can be saved from going blind. And prevention of avoidable blindness has been Sight Savers India's mission since 1966. Sight Savers India doesn't just bring sight, they bring opportunity. They use technology to reach remote communities, enable classrooms that welcome all children, and promote disability inclusion. This is a story about hope, equality, and a brighter future.
In each of the states that we work, we sign a MOU with the state government, and we work and strengthen the government efforts that is ongoing. We promote equality of opportunity amongst people with disabilities, that they take care of themselves, they know their rights, and they actually participate well and equally within the society.
Turning our attention to healthcare programs, the one that stands out is Netra Vasant, which is specifically geared to the needs of rural India. Netra Vasant's mission is to eliminate preventable and avoidable blindness in rural India. They provide essential services like screenings, eye exams, spectacles, and cataract surgery referrals. By training healthcare workers and collaborating with government and local partners, they ensure long-term eye health for these communities, leading to healthier lives and brighter futures.
ये दिक्कत है धुंधला धुंधला देखो, काम ना कर पाए, रात में भी कम देखो। ऐसे वाले के वजह से हम यहाँ आया, हमारा ऑपरेशन हो गया, हम ठीक हैं।
Sight Savers India invests in the future of eye care with a 2-year fellowship that transforms promising ophthalmologists into skilled professionals. In urban environments, particularly sprawling city slums, maintaining eye health can be difficult. That's where the Amrita Drishti program kicks in. It integrates our vision centers with the government's urban primary health centers. Curious about the scope of Amrita Drishti services? Well, through their innovative mobile eye health vans, they deliver comprehensive eye care.
काफ़ी समय से पढ़ने में कोई दिक्कत आती थी, नज़दीक का देखने में भी दिक्कत आती थी। मोबाइल वैन है जो इसमें फ्री में आँखों की जांच होती है। जांच के बाद वो चश्मा प्रोवाइड करते हैं और जब से मोबाइल वैन क्षेत्र में आने लगी मैं यहीं पर ही दिखाने लगा।
Picture this, an eye clinic transported to your location for unparalleled convenience and accessibility. Trucks keep India moving, delivering what we need. But imagine driving those long miles day after day if your vision isn't perfect. That's where Rahi, National Truckers Eye Health Program, comes in. An eye health program designed specifically for truck drivers and allied workers in India.
यहाँ मेरे को ड्राइवर ने बताया यहाँ राही सेंटर है, यहाँ मेरे को वो ले गए, वहाँ चश्मा चेक करके दिया।
Spread across 67 locations along the Golden Quadrilateral and the North-South and East-West network, Rahi ensures that these hard-working drivers have easy access to eye care services. Let's take a look at another great initiative. Allow me to introduce you to Vidya Jyoti, Sight Saver India's eye health program for school. This program is dedicated to promoting eye health among school children nationwide. We aim to integrate eye health into broader school health programs.
मैं जब किताब पढ़ता था तो मुझे बहुत दिक्कत आती थी। फिर मुझे पता चला कि स्कूलों में इस प्रकार की जांच होती है, तो मेरी आंखों की जांच हुई। फिर मुझे एक चश्मा मिला और उस चश्मे से अब मुझे सब कुछ अच्छी तरह दिखाई दे रहा है।
At Sight Savers India, we believe that every child has a right to learn, grow, dream. Through our inclusive educational program, we aim to integrate children with visual impairments into regular classrooms alongside their peers. This program goes beyond just inclusion. They equip children with visual impairments with the tools they need to thrive. Assistive devices for the students need, along with accessible learning materials.
इस संस्था में आए हैं, जुड़े हैं, जैसे पीछे अच्छा बदलाव आया है साहब इसमें पढ़ाई में, बहुत बढ़िया पढ़ रहा है और इसे सीखता भी है, इंग्लिश में भी जानता है और गणित में भी जानता है, सारी चीज़ में बदलाव है, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ रहा है।
Financial independence can be a wonderful thing. Living a life with such freedom can be liberating. That's where Sight Savers India's social inclusion program comes in. Sight Savers India enables social inclusion by providing them with essential skills, vocational training, and the necessary tools and support for greater impact and for promoting inclusive environment.
पहले हम आधा ही काम जानते थे, क्योंकि गोबर जो निकलता था वो भूरे पे फेंकते थे, उससे खाद नहीं बनाना जानते थे। और जब से साइट सेवर इंडिया ने हमें सिखाया है कि इस गोबर से खाद भी बनेगा और वर्मी कंपोस्ट से हम खाद तैयार करते हैं और वो खेतों में डालता हूँ और घर पर बेचता भी हूँ और आर्थिक रूप से मैं मजबूत नहीं।
Their commitment to gender equality includes self-defense training and health education for visually impaired girls.
मैं लड़कियों को यही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि मेरी तरफ आत्मनिर्भर बने। साइट सेवर इंडिया से मुझे ये ट्रेनिंग मिली थी। अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं अपनी रक्षा खुद कर सकती हूँ।
Sight Savers India thinks about even the most marginalized. Because behind every statistic is a story. Behind every initiative, there's a dream. And behind everyone whose life has been touched lies the determination and dream of Sight Savers India. Your generosity can really make a difference. It can give education to those yearning to learn and livelihoods to those whose lives didn't have a hope. Please donate, because your support will help Sight Savers India reach across the length and breadth of India, bringing light into many lives of darkness.